In this video, I'll show you how to remove songs from a YouTube music playlist. If you've created a playlist and want to remove a song, or even delete the entire playlist, I'll walk you through the steps. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Now, let's open up the YouTube Music app. First, you'll need to go to your playlists. Tap on Library at the bottom right of the screen. Then, in the top left, filter the results by selecting Playlists. Now that we're in the playlist section, let's pick the playlist you want to edit. For example, I'm selecting my Chill Songs playlist. Once inside, if I want to remove a specific song, let's say One by The Weeknd, I'll tap the three dots to the right of the track. From the options that appear, I'll tap Remove from Playlist. Just like that, the song is gone from the playlist. If you ever want to remove the entire playlist, that's easy too. Tap the three dots next to the play button, and at the bottom of the list, you'll see the option to delete playlist. Tap that and confirm by hitting delete. Now, both the playlist and all the songs in it are completely removed. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.